Hello everyone, today I will show you how to freeze columns in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and I will freeze this first column. Click on this column serial number and click right button and scroll down and select view mode action, and here you will find this. Freeze up to column A and see this. Now you cannot move this column and see this. This freeze column you cannot move and see this. Also fill these columns B and A, click right button and select more option. Finish up to column B and first column and same column. Now please you cannot move this column and see this. Also you cannot move this column A. Yeah, in this way you can finish single columns and multiple columns. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.